Russian troops have started training to dodge drones trying to strike them. While training is good, making the soldiers better prepared on the battlefield. This sort of training, however, that is carried out is more comical, as no instruction or equipment is given, basically saying to avoid the drone when it's coming against them, resulting in different attempts to dodge the drone, with the drone operator trying to hit them, showing the quality of Russian training, leaving them unprepared for the real battlefield and the Ukrainian drone army, resulting in higher casualties. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.